Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can screenshot an area of a screen in Windows. So let's get started. First of all, you'll have to use the snipping tool on your Windows. You can see that the snipping tool is in my taskbar. If you do not see in the taskbar, you can go ahead and search for it. And if it's not available, you can go ahead and download and install it from its website or the Microsoft Store. So go ahead, launch this snip. Then select this new snip option with the scissors icon. Choose the part of your screen from where you want to take a screenshot and hold and drag it over to that area. And once you're done, just leave it. Now you can copy it, print it, send the snip through email and edit this photo. You can also use modes like freeform, rectangular, window snip, and all. And you can copy it and paste it wherever you like. If you want to take a new screenshot, select this new snip option and take a screenshot of the area that you like. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.